Miro features, strengths, weaknesses. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard platform designed for distributed teams needing a visual workspace. Key features include infinite canvas, pre-built templates for brainstorming, strategy mapping, agile workflows, and user journey mapping, robust integration with tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Workspace, real-time collaboration with built-in video conferencing and commenting, and advanced facilitation tools such as voting and timer functionalities. It's primarily made for product managers, UX/UI designers, project managers, agile teams, strategists, and educators who require a shared visual space to collaborate on complex projects, brainstorm ideas, and visualize strategies. A major strength is its visual interface, allowing for intuitive interaction and easy understanding of complex information. Its extensive library of templates accelerates the onboarding process and provides structure for various use cases, catering to both beginners and experienced users. Real-time collaboration features are highly effective for remote teams, fostering engagement and enabling synchronous work sessions. The diverse range of integrations streamlines workflows by connecting Miro to commonly used tools, reducing context switching. However, Miro's complexity can be overwhelming for new users. The abundance of features may require a significant learning curve, particularly for those unfamiliar with visual collaboration tools. Performance can sometimes be an issue, especially on large boards with numerous elements or when multiple users are collaborating simultaneously, potentially leading to lag and a frustrating experience. The pricing structure, while offering a free plan, can become expensive for larger teams requiring advanced features and guest access. A final weakness is that while integrations are present, they can sometimes feel limited in scope, lacking the depth of functionality found in dedicated integration platforms. In conclusion, Miro offers a powerful and versatile platform for visual collaboration, making it an excellent choice for teams prioritizing visual communication and real-time engagement. However, be mindful of the potential performance bottlenecks, the learning curve for new users, and carefully evaluate the pricing plans to ensure they align with your team's needs and usage patterns. The platform's strengths significantly outweigh its weaknesses for many teams, but a thorough assessment is crucial before committing to Miro as your primary collaboration tool.